A while ago, when looking around my chassis at things I needed to do to fix it up, a friend of mine said, "Oh, look at that, looks like something's had a bite out of it," and that's exactly what it looked like. So this is what I did to repair it. So, what's made this bite mark? Well, it's not been bitten, to be honest. It's really just a result of some overzealous welding back in 1971, where the metal was so hot that parts of it fell away. There's another little repair. This is where the back of the chassis had a chunk taken out of it. So this was the worst one of the two. That's the other one that I've repaired. This side was the worst. So I just prepped it, cleaned it all back, dressed it up. So clean it with acetone, and then I shall build it back up with weld just to square it off. So again, I've used my favourite welding technique, which is where you back the piece you're welding up with some copper, because the weld won't stick to the copper. So it's very useful for when you want to bridge a gap or plug a hole. It's a great technique. So I'll leave you a link to one of my other videos which covers welding with copper backing in a bit more detail, and I'll leave that link below. So here, this little clip shows the underside of the rear chassis where the bite out of the chassis was. It's in finished painted condition now, and you can see both corners where I had to make a small repair on one and a large repair on the other. So I think you'll agree it looks a lot better now. Now it's been repaired.